How to review your places history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your places history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings, and then just go down until you find activity log, click on it, and here you will find look at actions and other activity. And now just click this one here, your places, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.